Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic: how to build social skills in kids. Developing social skills is very important for our child's success both in school and in life. These skills help children interact positively with others, form healthy relations, and navigate social situations effectively. Before we dive deep into practical strategies to help children build strong social skills, let me share a little about my mission with you. I'm Riddhi Devra, a certified parenting coach, founder of Easy Parenting Hub, and I'm on a mission to help mothers build happy families so that we can build a happy nation together. If you're here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any parenting update. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 practices that can help you improve social skills in your child. Practice 1. Model positive behavior. Children learn a lot by observing their parents. Be a role model for positive social behavior. Show them how to greet others. When you demonstrate kindness, empathy, and respect in your interactions, your child is more likely to do the same. Let me give you an example. When I go to drop my son at the bus stop before school, I greet everyone on the way. I say hi to the guard, I compliment the morning walkers, tell them how their skin is glowing, and appreciate as many people as I can. Watching me do this, my son also has started to greet others. It took him some time to open up, but now he does it without any hesitation. Practice 2. Teach empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings with others. Encourage your child to think about how others feel in different situations. Use storybooks or real-life examples to discuss emotions and perspectives. Ask questions like, how do you think that made him feel? Or what could you do differently the next time? These questions will help your child understand how others feel in different situations. Practice 3. Encourage play in a natural way for children to learn social skills. Encourage both structured and unstructured playtime. Organized activities like team sports or group games can teach cooperation and teamwork. When my son joined football classes, he had a very tough time settling in. The old boys used to tease him, and I remember he just refused to go after 3 weeks. But soon he got better at the sport and became good friends with the same boys. Joining football classes taught him not only football but also people skills. Free play allows children to use their imagination and improves their self-worth, which reflects in confidence when they are interacting with others. Practice 4. Teach communication skills. Good communication is key to building strong social skills. Teach your child to use polite language, make eye contact, and listen actively. Role play different social scenarios to practice greetings, asking questions, and expressing needs or feelings. Encourage them to use I statements. I'll give you an example. Something like, I feel sad when you don't share, to express their emotions more clearly. Once I had done one-on-one coaching with a child, and she was super smart, very talented, but just had one problem with greeting new people. And then I did a role play with her and taught her how to greet new people, and her parents were surprised to see the shift in their child. I hope you're taking notes because I still have 6 more ideas for you. So if you're not taking notes, now is the time to hit the pause button, grab a book, start taking notes. So now I'm going to share with you practice 5. So practice 5 is to provide opportunities for social interactions. Create opportunities for your child to interact with peers. Arrange play dates, join community groups, or enroll them in extracurricular activities. These settings provide a safe environment for children to practice social skills and make new friends. Children need other children around them. So, if you're living in a society or an area where there are no kids of your child's age or no kids at all, then make sure you enroll your child into some fun activity class where they can meet children their age. Practice 6. Praise positive social behavior. Positive reinforcement can go a long way in encouraging good social behavior. Praise your child when you see them being kind, sharing, or resolving conflicts peacefully. Specific praise like, "I really liked how you helped your friend," reinforces good behavior and motivates them to repeat it. Noticing these small things can go a long way in helping your child feel more confident. Practice 7. Teach problem solving skills. Teach them to identify the problems, think of possible solutions, and choose the best ones. Role playing different scenarios can be a fun way to practice these skills. For example, if your child is being bullied in school, then changing the school and removing the child from that situation will not teach your child how to deal with challenges. Instead, try to do some role modeling and teach your child what to do in such a situation. You can come back next week and watch my video on how to teach your child to deal with bullying. Practice 8. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time can hinder the development of social skills. Encourage your child to engage in activities that involve face-to-face interaction instead. Play games, read books, and spend time outdoor to foster real-life social experiences. You can also watch my video on how to manage screen time for kids. I have shared the link in the description below. Practice 9. Promote teamwork. Encourage activities that require teamwork, such as group projects, sports, or family chores. Working together towards a common goal helps children learn cooperation, communication, and the value of working as a team. For example, I had once encouraged my son to start a small business. He partnered with his friend who lives in the same society, and they made Christmas-themed bookmarks and greeting cards for our neighbors and sold them at 5 to 10 rupees. This made my child very confident and also improved his social skills. Practice 10. Teach manners and respect. Good manners and respect are fundamental to positive social interactions. Teach your child to say please, thank you, and excuse me. I call these the magic words. Emphasize the importance of respecting others' opinions, personal space, and belongings. The easiest way to teach this is by doing it yourself. Building social skills in kids is a continuous process that requires patience, practice, and encouragement. By incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine, you can help your child develop social skills they need to succeed in life. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with other parents who can benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such parenting tips and advice. Next week, I'll be sharing a video on handling bullying in schools. It's going to be a creative session, so make sure you don't miss this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.